top's come off the rain gauge, so it'll be inaccurate. It's the 25th of December 18. We've come out here for another check. That was 104 millimetres, but it'll be inaccurate. We're in the patch of unburnt area around the hut here, but you can see regrowth, which is post-drought regrowth. The Pitostrum undulatum coming back there. Ferns. Rock fern. A 104 millimetres, but that's inaccurate. The lyrebirds have still been very active in here. This damage here would be echidna. They've ripped the old rotten retaining logs out.
Yes, would sign that there's native animals.
Well, in here, the lyrebirds were in here immediately, and so the fire's gone up. The fire's gone up either side of the hut, jumped the creek and gone up. It's through there, just past that tea tree there, into it again. And this was a little patch of green that was left from the creek up to here, just up with past the car. And lyrebirds and everything have been relying on it quite heavily. They've really ripped the moss up and what have you. But grey thrush moved in immediately. On the way in, we saw the king parrots back, and there was young with those king parrots. So somehow they've managed to survive even in a hollow somewhere with their young and got through it. This is planted Lomandria longifolia, but I won't try and name everything at the moment. I'll just film and label it later when I edit. Going back down where you just come from, mate.
The valley, the gully.
I just never grow back in our time, mate. Well, the soil seed bank is there.
That's what I'm talking about.
And it'll come back. But the climate will decide whether it goes to a drier forest type or comes back as wet. All these plants are in the coming back in the area of the hut, which wasn't burnt, so they're all drought affected. Drought affected rather than burnt.
So all that's hard water burn, Russ?
That's a little glycine in case I don't pick it later. Once again, in case I miss it later. And that there is a vanilla lily. Glycine in amongst the lamandra. Lily-pilly trying to get a grip. You see it's been grazed.